test a Bolinger Band strategy, and let's see if we can optimize the results. So the strategy we're going to use is really simple. We're going to want to buy in the market when the price crosses below the lower Bolinger Band, and we're going to want to get out when the price crosses above the middle Bolinger Band. So let's go for it. So let's start off again with Ethereum USDT, and we'll use price again. So if the price is below the, and you don't have to use this sign. You could say if Ethereum price is below. It all depends how you want to write your strategies. For me, it's just easier to use that. Is below the lower BB, okay, the lower Bolinger Band. And let's use, I don't know, let's use a 1 hour so we can try to get quite a few hits in here of ETH USDT pair. Actually, I don't like to write it like that. I like to keep all my strategies in sync, so I'd rather put it like that. Let's say buy at least 1%. So as long as the price drops below the lower Bolinger Band by at least 1%, then buy 5,000 USD worth of ETH USDT. Okay, so we can go ahead with this, and we'll click next. And let's close the position. Let me get my spelling right here. Let me just go there, close position. If ETH USDT price is above the middle Bolinger Band, and we'll keep it the same one, hour. Okay, by at least, let's say, by at least 0.25%. So as long as the price gets to 0.25% above the middle Bolinger Band, I'm happy to close the trade on this one. Great, so let's go ahead and back test it. And remember, on the confirmation page, you can name your strategy. If the strategy is not named, we'll give it a name, as in buy this or sell that. And let's go ahead and back test the strategy. And guys, remember, we've just released this, and there are some late. This is actually running really fast, which is actually great. And you can see that it looks very similar to all the strategy pages, and it's running. And as it's running, let's try run this over another group of stocks so we can actually see the results coming through. So let's see, let's run this. And remember, to run it over another stock, I'm going to go to my control panel. I'm going to clone this. And let's just clone that. And let's run this on, and remember, any word in bold can be changed by a click of a mouse. So let's run this on LTC on Litecoin. Okay. And let me, don't know why it gave it to me twice there. LTC USDT. Okay, and next. And remember to change everything in the strategies. So let's back test. John, at the moment, Heiken-Ashi is not supported. It's high up on our list of upcoming developments. So it's definitely we're working on it. There's no doubt about it. So stay tuned. Heiken-Ashi is coming at the moment. Unfortunately, you can't use it. And while this is running, let's clone another strategy. So we can test these strategies over a variety of stocks fairly easily. For instance, we could change this and we can go for BTC, and we can go for BTC, and we'll change that. And it's 10 seconds. Next. Remember to change that as well, because we're using it in the exit, and we can backtest. Great. And let's go to my strategies, and we can see what the first one did, and we'll see what the second one, and then let's try to get a better result out of it. Okay, great. So here are the here are the 3 strategies that we're running. You can see some of them are taking a while. This is not going to be forever. We're working on this double time to get the latency up. It should run straight away. It's taking about 30 seconds or a minute to actually get moving, but don't worry, we're working on this. So you can see here on ETH USDT, our strategy here, we have 30 hits. You can see each hit. You can also find a time. So if you guys want to compare it on a chart, you'll have the time and the execution price and the units. And you can see here we have 30 hits at 22.49.